can live ignoring the nature that calls me. I am in love. I am in love with the nature that calls me every time. That gives me pleasure as I rain. It is a beauty that stays. Everyone's life's slave. I am in love. I am in love with the nature. This earth is a heaven for us. Don't make it a grave. I am in love with the nature. This is where it begins, where I would tend to win. I don't care, even if hell is in front of me. Can't even stay a day without it. Everything is ash. I am in love. I am in love. I am in love with nature. This is where it begins. This is the way of when I am ruthless. I won't care about anything. The only thing that matters to me is only nature excels. PainXPranee. It's the name of violence. If you can't stay, just go plant a tree. You'll be in love, in the love of nature. Everything you need is just a small place for it. It is truly more powerful than you think, more greater than anyone. Let's make Earth again.